Welcome, my name is Keisha from Tonte Dance, and you're in the right place if you're looking for an alternative way to heal through Christian urban dance. So let's get moving with your challenge for the day. Okay everyone, so in this topic, this week we're going to be looking specifically at knowing the truth. So this week we're going to be looking specifically at knowing the truth and the truth about what is inside yourself. And the way we're going to do that is I'm going to read this scripture for you just to get you in the mindset. And this is a scripture that I actually base a lot of my work on and how I think about healing and what it means to me. So it's from Jeremiah 13 verse 17, and it says, "For I will restore health unto thee, and I will heal thee. And I will heal thee of thy wounds, saith the Lord, because they called thee an outcast, saying, This is Zion, whom no man seek after." So that's in Jeremiah 13 verse 17, and that is a healing scripture. It's God's promise to heal and bind up wounds. And now the task that I want you to do is going to be based around this. So in the places where you see the appropriate bit, you're going to replace your name with that. So for example, if it says, "For I will restore health unto thee," you can say, "For I will restore health unto Keisha." Yeah, so you're claiming that for yourself. "And I will heal Keisha of her wounds, saith the Lord, because they called Keisha an outcast, saying, This is Keisha who no man seeks after." So God has given you a promise there. So you're going to personalize the verse. And then once you've done that, and do that like carefully, think about it for yourself, what it means to you. I want you to pick a piece of music that resonates with you, that you're comfortable with. And then I want you to dance, just freestyle and create with this in mind. So as you freestyle, you can either create, so you can actually decide, okay, I'm going to come up with 16 counts of movement. Based around the idea of what the truth of the fact that there is healing for you and it is personal to you, or you could just freestyle. Yeah, so if you feel comfortable, do take a video clip of yourself and then post it in the community, tag me at Tonte Dance, and we're gonna go from there. If you enjoyed this video, then like, subscribe, and share so others can benefit. Take care, God bless. See you on the next video.